Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video we are opening a box of Lightning Overdrive. Let's see if we can pull a Black Rose Dragon. It's kind of a weird set to open. I was planning on opening something else, but it didn't come in the mail in time, so we're opening this. I'm still pretty excited. If we pull the Black Rose Dragon, that'd be awesome. There's nothing else really in the set that I want other than the Black Rose Dragon. The Starlight Light Charmer would be pretty cool, just because for some reason that card is really expensive. That's cool. Alright. Hopefully everyone's having a good day today. Alright. First pack. Let's see how we go. Starlight, first pack. I can feel it. So we've got ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, Spriggan's Booty, Star Mine. Oh Jesus Christ. Oto Shidamashi. I don't know if I said that right. And we have a secret rare Warrock Meteoragon. That's pretty cool. That looks sick. I like that. Let's put that at the back. We've got Warrock, Big Blow, Amaze Attraction, Majesty Merry-Go-Round, Boo Boo Game, and Amaze Attraction Wonder Wheel. I don't think any other cards have money besides Starlights. I think there's a couple of cards that are like $2, $3, maybe $4 at the most. The real money's in the Starlights. If we pull any, I'd be really happy. I haven't pulled a Starlight in a while. So we've got Sky Scourge Citadels, S-Force Dog Tag, Yamorimori, Starmine, and Rock's Rose Dragon. So cool, put that back for now. Terrors of the Underroot, U and AI, Warrock Big Blow, and Bujin Cascendants. Okay, next pack. Come on, I can feel it. There's a Starlight in this box. I can feel it. Okay, we have Starry Night Ciel, Paleozoic Cambrorasta? Jesus Christ, what's with the names of the cards in this set? Anchifamorite? Jesus Christ. Judge of the Ice Barrier. And, Jesus Christ. Tri-Brigade Bearbrum the Rampant Rampager. Sometimes I think Yu-Gi-Oh! Makes their names like difficult to read just to annoy people. Just for fun. We've got 1x1 Fukubiki, Son of Alon, Daphne, AI Meteor. Next pack. This set is killing me with the names. It's also quite early while I'm recording this, so cut me some slack. We've got Clock Arc, Sky Scourge Citadels, Amazement Ambassador Bufo, Bujin Mahitotsu, Ultimate Dragonic Utopia Ray as an ultra rare. That's pretty sick. That's pretty cool. Ran out of room at the back there. Basil Rose Shoot, Sunvine Crossbreed, Amaze Attraction Majestic Merry-Go-Round. Oh, one more. And Zexal Alliance. I think from now on we're only going to put secrets and Starlights at the back. Or maybe ultras as well. Alright, next pack, come on. We've got Dark Eye Nightmare, Zexal and Trust, Starry Night Ciel, Star Mine, and Son of Aelon Melius. Fukubiki, Screams of the Branded, War Rock Mammoth, UA and I, and that's it. Next pack. I really have to get a new stand for recording videos. It kills my arm. Having to reach over it. ZW Pegasus Twin Saber. And oh, I hate that name. I'm not reading that anymore. Oh, Jesus Christ. Paleozoic Cambrorasta. I'm not reading that one either. Bujin Mahitotsu. And Zexal Construction. The card looks cool. I don't know if it's any good. I'm not sure what that does. Hidden Springs of the Far East. Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing. AI Meet You. And Birth of the Prominence Flame. Let's get a pack from the other side. Okay, we have Amazement Ambassador Bufo, Scrap Raptor, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Black Eyes, the Plunder Patrol Sea Guide, and we have another secret. I think this was a couple of bucks. I was looking at the prices. Bahalutia, the Grand Radiance. That is really cool looking. I haven't seen it before, must be very good. Looks awesome, that. Okay. Sunval and Daphne, Amaze Attraction, Majesty Merry-Go-Round, Boo Boo Game, and Terrors of the Underroot. Next pack. We have Amazement Special Show, Clock Arc, ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, Paleozoic Camber, I'm not reading you, you can go away, Line of the Light Charmer Lustrous. So this card in Starlight is massively expensive, and I'm not sure why. Maybe someone in the comments can tell me why this is so good. Or maybe it's just a collector's thing, I'm not sure. 1x1, Bujin Cascendants, Zexal Alliance, and 1 Kuriway pack. Okay, we have ZS Armed Sage, World Soul Carbon, Danmari at Ignista, Amazement Ambassador Bufo, and Ruddy Rose Witch. Maybe that's a sign that we're going to get Black Rose Dragon. Basil Rose Shoot, DDD Super Sight King Zero Maxwell, Sunval and Daphne, Warrock Generations, and that's it. Next pack. Come on, give me something good. Dogmatica Calamity. Oh, Dogmatic Calamity. Jesus Christ, these names. Starry Night CL, ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, Judge of the Ice Barrier, and Amazement Precious Park. There's a lot going on in there, aren't we? Cool. Terrors of the Underroot, Warrock Mahmood, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, 1 Kuriway. That's the end of the pack. Come on. I'd love to be able to pull a Starlight on the channel, that'd be awesome. Springens Brothers, Starmine, ZS Armed Sage, Oto Shidamashi, my lights just went off, and another, oh, did we get this before? Yeah, we did, it's in the back. Rock's Rose Dragon, Hidden Springs of the Far East, Fukubiki, Warrock Generations, Screams of the Branded. Next pack, actually, let me clean these up a little. Hopefully without destroying the whole setup. Okay, next pack. If you've liked the video so far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to see opened on the channel. Yeah, anything at all. Just let me know. I'm not reading you. Go away. Zexal and Trust. Dark Eye Nightmare. Black Eyes the Plunder Patrol Sea Guide. And, oh, I don't remember seeing this card in the set. We have Mysterion the Dragon Crown. How cool is that? One spellcaster monster, one dragon monster. 3k attack. That looks nice. It's not Black Rose Dragon, but it's still pretty sick. AI Challenge You, Judgment of the Branded, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, and Mujin Descendants. Next pack. Okay, we have S-Force Dog Tag, Spriggan's Brothers, Dogmatic Calamity, Denamari at Ignista, and another Amazement Precious Park. 1x1, DDD Supersite, King Zero Maxwell, Warrock Generations, and Basil Rose Shoot. We have Spriggan's Booty, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Clockark, Dark Iron Nightmare, and Branded in White. I think that's a new card. I don't think we've seen that yet. Very cool. Warrock Big Blow, One Curry Way, Boo Boo Game, and Birth of the Prominence Flame. Next pack, come on, give me something big. We have Amazement Ambassador Buffer, Starry Night Ciel, Oto Shidamashi, Spriggan's Booty, and a Rox Rose Dragon again. U&AI, Maze Direction, Sunvine, and Fukubiki. Next pack. Okay. We have World Soul Carbon, Zexal and Trust, Amazement Special Show, Scrap Raptor, and ZS Ascended Sage. Very cool. Looks like one of the mechs in a Green Logo. Kind of, sort of, but really thin. We have Binary Belader, Birth of the Prominence Flame, Warrock Mahmood, and Judgment of the Branded. I really want to open up a box of Crystal Beast Revenge and try to get a Starlight Exodia piece. I really like that set. Let me know if you'd like to see that, because I really want to open it. And Magnificent Mavens. Excuse me. Should be opened up on the channel. I really want to try to get the Seal of Orichalcos. It's my favorite card, so it'll be a lot of fun to open. Okay, we have Judge of the Ice Barrier. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yamori Mori, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Sky Scourge Citadels, and Line of the Light Charm Illustrious. Not the Starlight rare that we are looking for. Zexal Alliance, Daphne, AI Michu, Amaze Attraction Wonder. Next pack, I think we've got 5 or 6 packs left, not including the one in my hand. Okay, we have Spriggan's Brothers, Ujin Mahitotsu, Clockark, ZS Armed Sage, and another Branded in White Super Rare. Sunvine, Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, Binary Blader. Come on, we're running out of packs. I need a Starlight. I mean, it's been pretty good. We've got a couple of cool secret rares so far anyway. S-Force Dog Tag, World Soul Carbon, Zexel and Trust. Oh, I saw Synchro. I was like, oh, maybe that's it. God damn it, it got me excited. Yamori Mori and Garden Rose Flora. A little bit of a bait and switch. Kind of tricked me there. I don't think I've ever seen this card before. It's cool. I'll put you up there. We haven't seen you yet. Out of focus. Hidden Springs of the Far East, Birth of the Prominence Flame, 1 by 1, and Bujin Ascendants. Next pack. Come on, give me something. Give me a Black Rose Dragon, please. I'm not pronouncing you. I hate that card. Clock Arc, Star Mine, Paleozoic Cambresta, and a Ruddy Rose Witch Super Rare. Amazing Attraction Wonder Wheel, Zexel Alliance, Sunvine, and Basil Rose Shoot. So what do we got? We've got 4 packs left. 4 more chances. Come on. Okay, we have Ujin Mahitotsu, World Soul Carbon, Scrap Raptor, Spriggan's Brothers, and is that the rare? It is. We have a Dark Infant at Ignista Super Rare. Haven't seen that yet. We'll take it. Something different. Warrock Big Blow, Screams of the Branded, Warrock Mahmood, and Boo. Alright guys, sorry about that. The phone just stopped recording the video. I ran out of memory. Yeah, sorry about that. It wouldn't be a video of mine if there weren't technical issues. Seems like every single time I record, something goes wrong. Should be good now. Okay, we have Paleozoic Cambresta. We have Dark Eye Nightmare, Yamori Mori, ZS Armed Sage, and Albion, the Branded Dragon for an ultra rare. Very nice. I think that was a couple bucks. I was looking at it. Very good card, very annoying card to deal with. DDD Super Sight King Zero Maxwell, Amazing Attraction Wonder Wheel, Judgment of the Branded, Amazing Attraction Majesty Merry-Go-Round. Last 2 packs. Let's go this one. Come on. This pack feels heavy. There's got to be something in it. We have ZW Pegasus Twin Saber, Pharaonic Guardian Sphinx, Black Eyes the Plunder Patrol Sea Guide, and is this the rare? No. We have Starry Night Ciel and okay, it's not a synchro, it is a Warrock Wento. Haven't seen that yet. Pretty nice looking super rare. We have Amaze Attraction Rapid Racing, One Curry Way, Terrors of the Underwood, Hidden Springs of the Far East. Last pack. This has to have the Black Rose Dragon. It has to. I might even do a pack trick on this. I'm not sure what it is. I'm just going to do free from the back. I feel like that's pretty safe. Yep, okay, good. We have Fukubiki, AI Challenge You, Warrock Generations, Oto Shidamashi. Oh, Jesus Christ, I'm getting nervous. S-Force Dog Tag. And okay, no, it's the next one. I get the feeling it's the next one. Sky Scourge Citadels. And okay, it's just a no, next one. Dan Murray at Ignista, and come on, please. Oh no. Just a Zexel construction. No Black Rose Dragon, unfortunately. No Starlight at all. So not the greatest opening, could have been better, but I think we might try again to try to pull the Black Rose Dragon. If you stuck around to the end of this video, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.